Behind me sits a 2021 Jeep Rubicon 392 HEMI. So here at Fortec, we've done a few upgrades to enhance this experience. So let me show you what you're going to get into when you rent the 392. So starting from the front here, we see that it's pretty standard. However, we added a Warren winch, and this model is the Zion 12S winch. But we also added the MOPAR bull bar on top. So it actually looks like it came from factory, which is really cool, and that's something that you kind of want when you start to modify your Jeep. Another thing that we did is added a MOPAR 2-inch lift to fit the 37-inch BF KO2 tires. Here we have the body armor, and you're not going to be able to really see this, but here we have the body armor RS3 third brake light ring, which is in here. It's kind of hard to see, but if you see the actual glossy part right in here, it kind of hides. But essentially the idea is when you hit the brakes, this kind of lights up, but otherwise you wouldn't even know that it's there. Another cool feature that is that actually comes standard with the 392 is that it has an electric roof. So this is a really popular option. Let me show you. Of showing this whole roof opens up, tucks in right here, and then you can close it all the way. So having features like this make it an excellent choice to rent out for the weekend or take a road trip in, and you can do that through Toro.com. This is one of 3 vehicles right now here at Fortec that we're renting out. So check out the other videos and subscribe to our new YouTube channel. We are putting out videos constantly of builds and new things like this where you can rent out some of our Jeeps. So if you like this video, we have 2 other videos out now as well, showcasing the Toro vehicles that you can rent from Fortec. Check those out, like them, subscribe to our channel, all that good stuff, and actually take this out for a spin, take it out for a road trip. These are really great opportunities if you're considering to upgrade your Jeep and you want to know what it rides and how it handles, or if you're just interested in buying a new Jeep and you want to try the 392 or the Gladiator or the 4xe, you have those options here at Fortec to be able to rent and kind of test drive it and really experience it, take it home, take it on a road trip and see what it's like.